Today we are going to show you the process of how to create a perfect seam for a countertop installation project. The first and foremost step always is to level the countertop properly using wooden shims. Once everything has been leveled accurately, the worker mixes 2 parts epoxy to bring to the right consistency. Once the epoxy has been mixed, the worker finds and blends the right color combination to match the countertop's style and pattern. Now it's time to bring the pieces together. Due to the stone's heavy weight, the best possible way to bring the pieces together is by using a seam setter, which is a device that uses hydraulic pressure to align and join the pieces together. The worker sets up the seam setter before applying anything to the surface. He is now ready to apply the blended colors to where the countertop pieces meet. This process helps create a proper seam. The worker uses the same epoxy to work through any other joints required for that installation. He also works through applying more glue to areas that need it. This process takes about 5 to 7 minutes, as the worker simultaneously checks if the epoxy is dried. This process helps create a perfect seam. Once the epoxy is dried, the worker removes the seam setter. When bringing the 2 countertop pieces together, it will result in some excess glue coming off the surface. The worker proceeds to scrape off any excess glue off from the surface as needed. To achieve a smooth finish, the worker ensures that the epoxy is sanded down to perfection. He works through any other imperfections and final touches. The final step is applying the stone sealer to complete the installation. Once the stone sealer has been applied, the worker cleans the countertop with acetone or alcohol to remove any additional dust and bacteria. And this is how the perfect seam is achieved when installing a countertop. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.